Hey there. In this video, I want to show you how to work around an issue that Excel has recognizing dates in some cases. Every so often, when you're trying to sort a block of text like this one by the date, you'll see a problem where it won't recognize the dates as actual dates. It just wants to see them as text. And this is a bit of sample data that I generated from workaround.com, and you can see we have the subscribed field over here, which very obviously contains dates. And let's take a look at the format on these. Format cells, and it's seeing them as dates. But when we actually try to sort it, let's go ahead and sort and click on subscribe. It sees it as a text field. It's trying to sort it A to Z. And you can actually do that, and it's going to pop up the sort warning, and we can select sort anything that looks like number as number, and it will actually sort it in this small sample, and it seems to have sorted it correctly. But I wouldn't want to take chances on that in a larger set of data, because if it's not recognizing it correctly, you never know what kind of errors might creep in there. So let's do a Control Z, undo that, and let me show you how we can actually get Excel to treat those dates as dates. Let's go ahead and select the column, and I'm going to use the text to columns menu option here under data and data tools. Click on text to columns. That pops up the wizard, and this is a tool where you can actually divide one column into more than one based on a delimiter or a specific width of data. So here I'm going to leave it as delimited, which means that it has, or is supposed to have, a symbol such as a comma or a space to separate various values. I'm going to click Next. Make sure that all of these checkboxes are cleared, because there are no actual delimiters in this field. Then we're going to click Next, and I'm going to select Date, and I'm going to leave this as MDY, which of course means month, date, year, and I'm going to click Finish. So now it's converted these to 2-digit year dates, and we can actually, or let me go ahead and select the entire column. Format cells, date, and let's go ahead and click the first one, put the 4-digit years back in there, and let's try sorting again. Subscribed, and now it's treating it like a date. It's saying oldest to newest, and again it sorts it appropriately. So that's the workaround. This is a problem that a number of people have had an issue with, and you'll see it around the web every so often. It doesn't always happen, but when it does happen, and when you do notice this issue, this is how you get around it. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked this video, please click like, and you can also subscribe to be notified of future videos. For more articles and information, please visit my website at comosoftware.com. Have a great day.